Okay, this is why I'm replacing the starter. I have already run the glow plugs. I've given it every chance it has to have a nice start. Here we go. Now it'll start. Well, I thought it would. I'll have to run the glow plugs a little more again. That is why I'm replacing the starter. Now it does this even when it is warmed up. I drive all the way to Monroe, 40 miles away. Stop at a store, come back out from the store, it does exactly the same thing it just now did.